Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to recognize and perform quickly your G permutations. And of all the permutations in the PLL phase, G's are probably the most irritating because they have 4 different variations and they're very hard to discern between each other because they look really messy because they're a corner rotation and an edge rotation. I mean, just looking at those arrows is not a good way to like that you see on all those PLL pages, the arrows, just determining them that way is not a very effective way. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to recognize these permutations much quicker. But first, I gotta say you're going to want to use my G permutations because the tips I use are going to apply to my permutations, so I suggest you learn them. I'll show you my 4 G permutations. This is the first G permutation, or G-Perm1. This is the second G permutation. This is the third G permutation. And this is the fourth G permutation. Now the trick, of course, is identifying which G-Perm to use in a different situation. And this may seem difficult, but if you notice, the orientation of all the G-Perms I gave you had these 2 left corners sharing a sticker color on the left side. As here, I have red on both sides. And how this can help you is if you have this as a constant, like you always, when you have a G-Perm, put these 2 colors on the left, now you have to just identify the type of G-Perm with the right side. And there are 4 possibilities here. And what I look for is a 1x2 block, like this here. Because this is these together are solved in the correct spot. So I know this one as 2 because I look for the 1x2 block to be in one of 4 places. In spot 1, right in here, and that would be G-Perm1. Spot 2, G-Perm2. Spot 3, G-Perm3, and spot 4, G-Perm4. So, because this is in spot 2, this little 1x2 block here, I'm going to do G-Perm2. Just for the sake of an example, I'm going to do another one. And as you notice here, I have these 2 reds aligned on my left side. The 2 reds that share the same color. It doesn't have to be reds like it has been in my examples. It could be any color. And I find my 1x2 block to be right here. So, because this is in the 1 position, it's G-Perm1. So, I can perform G-Perm1. And sometimes you may need to do a U prime, or U2 to fix it at the end. If you align the 1x2 block correctly, you won't need to do this. However, it's faster if you just look for the 2 corners and then do the U prime or U2, because you can recognize that solving a like an almost solved cube much quicker than aligning the 1x2 block before you do the G permutation. So I hope this helps you with doing and recognizing your G permutations. I know there are a lot of cubers out there that know all the PLLs but don't do the G permutations just because they're hard to recognize, and hopefully this will help it make you want to use your G perms now. Until next time, there will be an Ortega method tutorial. For sure, okay? Promise. No, it was on my profile, and I know I said I was going to make it. And I didn't, but it will be next. See ya.